Hey everyone, welcome back to Free Tech Guy. If you've updated to iOS 18 and the passwords app icon is missing, don't worry, I'll show you 2 simple ways to fix it. Let's get started. Method 1. Find the passwords in Settings. First, open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap on Apps. Look for the Passwords app in the list. That's it. You've located the Passwords app. Here's all Passwords app customization and settings to use on your iPhone. If you want to access all saved passwords, then use Passwords app on your iPhone, available on App Store. If it's not installed on your iPhone, follow the next solution. Method 2. Reinstall the Passwords app via the App Store. The Passwords app is pre-installed with iOS 18, but you've deleted from your iPhone home screen. Then follow the steps to reinstall on your iPhone. Open the App Store. Search for the Passwords app. Next, download and reinstall it. Once reinstalled, the Passwords app icon should reappear on your home screen. Access with Face ID or lock screen passcode to view and manage all the passwords saved in iCloud across all devices like iPhone, iPad, and Mac. Refer to the separate video given in the video description and pin comment. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for new free tech guide video updates.